So here we have a person invests $5,000 in treasury notes and bonds. The notes pay 8% interest, bonds pay 10% annual interest. If the annual income is $480, how much is invested in treasury notes? Well, I have no idea. So I'm going to say let X equal money in notes, and then I'll have Y be the money in bonds. There's two variables, I need two equations. A person invests $5,000 in treasury notes and bonds. That's an equation.
Rate .08, is it X or Y did you use?
I use X for notes, Y for
0.08
bonds.
X plus 0.1 Y equals 5,000. No, 480.
Yeah. So there's the second one. I wasn't there yet, but you're totally right. So the second equation, I don't know if you all heard what she said, but 8% interest on the notes, so it'd be 0.08 times the notes, which is X. 10% interest on the bonds, so that's 10% times the bonds is Y. And that gets me all the interest that I've earned. How much interest was earned? 480, not 5,000. $5,000 wasn't earned. That's how much I put in the beginning. So the amount of interest I got from notes and the amount of interest I got from bonds all together gets me the total interest earned, 480. Back it up though. If you go back to this first sentence, a person invests $5,000 in notes and bonds. That's your first equation right there. Don't make it harder than it is. They invested a total of $5,000. Some of it's here, some of it's here. That's it. X plus Y equals 5,000. That's it. So if you're going to solve this one and you want to do elimination, again, I love to clear the decimals first just because I don't want to deal with them. So if I multiply everybody by 100, be careful though. This turns into 8x. This turns into 10y. What's this number now? 480 turns into 480, and then I got to move the decimal 2 places, so I got to add 2 more zeros. Be careful with that. Okay, now I could do elimination. Maybe I multiply everything by a -8. Ta-da! Y is 4,000. Y stood for the money that's in bonds. So how much is in notes? 1,000. That's it. X plus Y equals 5,000. So if Y is 4,000, that means X is 1,000. And X is what I'm looking for this time. How much is invested in treasury notes? That's X. So $1,000 invested in notes. Was that as bad as you thought it was? So, what I worry about is you getting the right equations. Does this make sense where these came from and why the pieces go where they go? $5,000 total notes and bonds. Notes, bonds, 5,000. Then it's the amount of money I'm earning from each account. I'm getting 8% here, 10% here, and I earned $480 at the end. Okay? So then it's just, once you have the 2 right equations, then it's just solving. But if you don't have the 2 right equations, you're never going to get the right solution, right? So there's that one.